god.
We cannot open the front door because there is so much
freaking sleep.
Yeah, like, oh my god.
Like,
it's not even closed all the way.
Damn.
It got frozen when it's like stuck open.
Because of the sleet.
Yeah, this
sleet.
All that white is nothing but sleet. I'm stuck at her house tonight. I can't get home. We
couldn't even get my damn car in the fucking driveway.
Yes, we had to push her car to the driveway. And we had to have
a neighbor
help because we couldn't. 3 of us could not push her car.
I tried.
I thought he was gonna bug us.
He had a ski mask on. We all thought that he was gonna bug us.
I was like, you need some help?
It's all sleeting outside. It's freezing. I don't even have a coat. I don't have gloves. I got a light jacket.
Because she didn't think to, you know, of course the weather fucking changed on us like that. Well, I wasn't sure how else to explain it.
Can you say like one more time? Chris, say hi. Say hi. Come here. Let me get a picture. Come here, let me take a picture. Come here. Every time she sees her face, she goes running.
Oh.
Come here. Here you go. Bella, here you go.
She's like, no.
Yeah.
No. She's like, no.
Whoa, wait, what? I don't understand. I'm so confused. I don't understand what's happening. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Zombie shroom. Okay, so that's the one where you'll get the weird trip from shrooms, where you start killing all your friends.
I don't think you can kill a rock.
Can I pick him up? Oh, yeah, that's right. Go in the quicksand. What the heck?
Okay, I don't remember seeing that.
Ah!
Oh no!
Oh my god, what a jerk. Ah! No! I don't understand what's happening. I'm coming, Blackie boy.
I come to make you feel some damage.
Make that damage.
Chunk on it.
I'm like gay porn.
What?
For gay porn.
Oh my god. No, that's like freaking gay domination porn.
Yeah, that's some weird dom porn right there.
Oh, that hurt. What the heck? What? Was that like a ballet dance thing?
I don't know.